Okay, one more quick helpful tip for those of you. The other thing I like to do with my landscaping is I've also cut my hosta, and I'll show you. And this will keep growing out. It won't hurt the hosta at all. But the other thing I like to do, and I'll back up for you, is over here where the heat pump is, I like to keep everything off the back. So I cut the hosta right there between the heat pump and the hosta, but I also have to come right over here and cut this one because this hosta was up against the side of the house also. But I like to let air move behind the heat pump, so I need to go over there. I also need to pull a bunch of weeds. I'm going to show you real life though, so everybody just doesn't think that this is always how, my flower beds look. Over here in this corner, and I came and worked on this today. I cut this back. I just did a video about that. I got to cut this guy off the house, so I got to go around. But look over here behind. Okay, there's real life, guys. Even true gardeners have weeds at some point. So I'm going to go ahead, jump off here, get busy, and take care of these weeds.